Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the circle of fifths. This powerful tool visually organizes all 12 musical keys, making complex music theory concepts much clearer. It beautifully illustrates the relationships between major and minor keys. Moving clockwise around the circle adds a sharp to the key signature, while moving counterclockwise adds a flat. Each step represents an interval of a perfect fifth, a fundamental building block in music. Understanding key signatures and relative minors becomes simple with the circle of fifths. To find any major key, locate it on the outer ring. Its corresponding relative minor key is always found directly on the inner ring, just below the major key. For instance, C major's relative minor is a minor, and G major's relative minor is E minor. This visual aid quickly helps you identify the correct number of sharps or flats for any given key. The circle of fifths is incredibly useful for building chord progressions and transposing music. For any given key, the three chords immediately adjacent to it on the circle often form common and pleasing progressions. For example, in C major, you'll frequently use F major, G major, and a minor. When transposing a song, the circle helps you easily shift all chords to the new key while maintaining their harmonic relationships, making the process much more intuitive. For songwriters, the circle of fifths is a fantastic tool for modulation and sparking creativity. Modulating means smoothly transitioning from one key to another within a song. The circle clearly shows which keys are closely related, making these transitions sound natural and pleasing. Keys that are just one step away, either clockwise or counterclockwise, are often excellent choices for modulation. Use this visual guide to inspire new melodic and harmonic ideas in your compositions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.